Something about Akshaya Tritiya, the date. This is the day when Satyug started. So, so this is a very powerful day. Satyug starts on this day, very powerful, because from Satyug, when the age of the human beings is 1 lakh years, so every day as Satyug passes, the age decreases, and then at end of Satyug, the age becomes 10,000 years. Then Treta Yuga starts decreasing, and at the end of Treta Yuga, it becomes 1,000 years. Then Dwapar starts from that point. So Dwapar passes, then at the end of Dwapar, the age becomes only 100 years. Then as Kali Yuga passes, so the age decreases, and at the end of Kali Yuga, the age becomes only 20 years. And on this day, see so much change that from 20 years, the age becomes 1 lakh years. So the one day is so much powerful, the age from 20 years, the age becomes 1 lakh years. In the same way, the dharma, the 4 lakhs of dharma. So Satyug begins, the 4 lakhs of dharma are complete. Then as the Satyug passes, 1 lakh of dharma decreases, and at the end of Satyuga, only 3 lakhs of dharma. Then as Treta Yuga passes, the lakhs, only 2 lakhs of dharma. Then as the Dwapar passes, so at the end of Dwapar, only 1 lakh of dharma. Then Kali Yuga passes, then at the end of Kali Yuga, no lag. Dharma becomes without lakhs. And on this day, sudden increase, the 4 lakhs of dharma complete. So this is very powerful, Akshaya Tritiya. In the same way, the rivers contain 100% water in the beginning of Satyuga. When Satyuga passes, then at the end of Satyuga, the river contain only 75% water. Then as Treta passes, at the end of Treta, 50% water. Then the Dwapar passes, only 25% water. And then Kali Yuga passes, at the end of Kali Yuga, no water in the rivers. And on this day, 100% water in the rivers. Sudden change, so there is so much increase. So this Akshaya Tritiya is very powerful. So whatever we chant or whatever we give charity, whatever we listen or chant or glorify Krishna, so this becomes Akshaya. Akshaya means never decreasing. Hari Bol. Akshaya Tritiya Mahamahotsav ki jai. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.